It's a tie, guys. So, same kami. 6 na tiles na lang yung hindi nabubuksan. Nag-a-assume si J-Drill na mananalo sa atin.
Okay.
Intense yun, guys. Matinding labanan.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Uy, akala ko sa kanya yung last na tira. Kinabahan ako dun, guys. Anyway, sa mga gusto maglaro ng Tile Push, download WePlay on App Store and Google Play.